So guys, andito kami sa
buildings right over there. Okay. We just ask that you wash your hands before and after each room. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it.
Cool. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay guys, so ito yung mga dogs nila. Excited. So guys, ayan, nagtitingin kami ng mga dogs dito. How about this? There's a dog inside there? Wow, ang laki-laki dito, guys. Okay, i-visit natin. Kailangan daw mag-hand sanitize. It's scary. Hi. What kind of dog is this? Ang ganda dito, guys. What's that? They're so big. They're so big. Oh, hi. 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 Aww. So, ito din, isa. Wow, they're so big. Oh my god, what kind of dog is this, baby? Aho. Oh my god, what kind of dog is this, baby? Look at the face, so small.